Did you know? Hibiscus tea might just be the secret super drink you've been missing out on. From helping manage blood pressure to boosting your antioxidant intake, this vibrant tea is more than just a pretty cup of red. Welcome to another adventure with Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into hibiscus tea, a drink not only delicious but packed with surprising health benefits. So many of us face daily challenges with stress, high blood pressure, or even just trying to eat healthier. That's where hibiscus tea comes in. This bright, tart drink is known for its ability to support your heart and immune system, potentially lowering blood pressure naturally. Imagine one simple cup a day could make a world of difference. But that's not all. Hibiscus tea is loaded with antioxidants, those tiny warriors that help fight off cell damage and inflammation. Plus, if you're watching your waistline, studies suggest it may help with weight management too. It's a win-win. Many people who try hibiscus tea for the first time expect just another herbal drink, but after a few weeks of sipping it daily, they report feeling lighter and more energized. Incorporating this tea into their routine has proven to be one of the simplest yet most effective health changes they've made. To sum it up, hibiscus tea might be your new go-to for lowering blood pressure, getting a daily antioxidant boost, and even managing weight. So why not brew a cup right now? If you're curious about more tea discoveries, check out our previous video, where we unlocked the 3 essential rules of English breakfast tea. It's a must-watch for any tea lover. Thanks for joining us on this tea adventure. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more exciting tea discoveries. Until next time, happy sipping!